Friends, let us now get to the Rajnibai V. Patel Farminova Awards. As you all know, we will be distributing awards for 2 years, 2012-13 and 2013-14. Let us start with 2012-13. The total number of colleges participated, 102. Total abstracts received, 137. There are 5 categories in which the awards have been instituted. The first category being pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology. There were 49 entries, and for the year 2012-13, in this category, the winners, the student name is Ms. Sonali Wankhede, and her guide, Dr. N.S. Ranpise. They are from the Singhad College of Pharmacy, Pune. I request them, the student first and then the guide, to kindly come on the dais and take their awards. The thesis title was Design and Development of Bi-Layer Floating Tablet. Friends, let me tell you, the winners, the student gets 51,000 rupees as the prize along with a certificate and an award. And the research guide gets 25,000 rupees and a certificate. May I now call upon the name of the runners-up in this category of pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology. The college is Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. The student's name is Neelam Suthar, and the guides Dr. Srinivas Mutalik. I'm sorry, unfortunately, I believe they came late, but they are there. I would request them to kindly come and take the award, please. The thesis title was Curcumin-loaded nanoparticulate drug delivery system for the treatment of inflammatory bowel disease. Moving on to the next category. The next category is quality assurance. In this category, there were 22 entries, and the winner is Mr. Anand Gupta from the AISSMS College of Pharmacy, Pune. May I also invite his guide, Dr. Sanjay Shirsagar, to also join and take his award. The thesis title here is Design and Development of Liposomes for colon-targeted drug deliveries. The runners-up, Mr. Salim Mondal from the Dr. B.C. Roy College of Pharmacy and Allied Health Sciences, Durgapur, West Bengal. The guide, Dr. Supratim Ray. I think Salim is not there, but the guide is very much there. The runner-up gets rupees 31,000 as the prize money, along with the certificate and the award. The thesis title here was Exploring the Protective Effect of Diverse Class of Antioxidants on docetaxel induced lipid peroxidization, an experimental and theoretical approach. Let us move on to the next category, which is pharmacology. And the winner here is Dr. Dhaval Vandale, and he is from the Naipur SAS Nagar, Punjab. May I also invite his guide, Professor Kulbhushan Tiku, to also join him. The thesis title here is 17-beta-estradiol elevates endothelial dysfunction and downstream angiotensin signaling in estrogen deficient rats fed on high fat diet via activation of SIRT-APMK pathway. The runner-up in this category of pharmacology is Mr. Vishal Agrawat from the Maliba Pharmacy College, Surat. And his guide is Dr. Bhavin Vyas. The thesis title, Effectiveness of Sitagliptin in Diabetic Hypertensive Rats. The next category, Pharmacognosy. The winner, Ms. Pradnya Chaudhary from the Saraswati Vidya Bhavan's College of Pharmacy, Dombivli, Mumbai. And her guide, Dr. Chaya Gadgoli. The thesis title here being Studies on Naphthaquinone Derivatives as Phytopharmaceuticals. The runners-up, Ms. Rakhi Khabiya from the Naipur, Ahmedabad, and her guide, Dr. Sheetal Anandjiwala. The thesis title here, Identification of some Phyllanthus species of Gujarat state using integrative taxonomy. Pharmacognosy saw 14 papers coming on. Let us now move on to the next category, the pharmaceutical chemistry. Here we had 22 entries and the winner is Ms. Krishna Gajjar from the Institute of Pharmacy, Nirma University, Ahmedabad. Her guide being Dr. Anuradha Gajjar. The thesis title is Design, Synthesis and Pharmacological Evaluation of 2-aminothiophene derivatives as anti-diabetic agents. The runner-up, Ms. Shilpa Shankar from the College of Pharmaceutical Science, Medical College, Thiruvananthapuram. And her guide, Mrs. Sissy Matthew. The thesis, in silico design, synthesis and pharmacological screening of 1,3-benzoxazole 5-carbohydrazide derivatives in the category of pharmaceutical chemistry. Moving on to the year 2013-14, total 118 colleges participated and abstract received were 143. The first category, pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology, we had 53 entries and the winner is Mr. Vannuruswamy Garikapati. He is from the KLE University College of Pharmacy, Belgaum, and his guide Dr. Anand P. Gadat. I request both of them to kindly come and collect their awards. The thesis title being Development of Non-Woven Nanofiber Formulations of Thermosensitive Polymer Blends as Wound Healing Applications. Let us move on to the runners-up. The runners-up is Mr. Nilesh Chaudhary from the H.R. Patel Institute of Pharma Education and Research, Dhule, with his guide Mr. Prashant Deshmukh. The research title being Tumor-Targeted Delivery of Anti-Cancer Drugs Using Magnetic Nanocomposites. Under the next category of quality assurance, in 2013-14 we had 28 entries and the winner is Mr. Devang B. Chandel from the Anand Pharmacy College, Anand, with a guide Dr. Purvi Shah. The research title was Treatment of Gout with Enhanced Efficacy. As for the runners-up in the category of quality assurance, we have Ms. Rasika Nikhade from the Sharad Pawar College of Pharmacy, Nagpur, and her guide Mrs. Shilpa Deshpande. I would request both of them to kindly come. The research title was novel fish oil formulation for dry eye syndrome. In the next category on pharmacology, we had 11 entries, and the winner is Ms. Suchi Raghunathan from the Institute of Pharmacy, Nirma University, Ahmedabad. With her guide, Dr. Bhumika Patel, I would request both of them to kindly come and collect their awards, please. The research title for Suchi was Magnesium Valproate, Pioneering Treatment in Prevention of Heart Failure. The runners-up in the pharmacology category is Mr. Lokesh Yadav from the Naipur SAS Nagar, Punjab, and his guide Dr. G.B. Jina. Lokesh's research title was Rapid Process to Identify Drugs which are Toxic for the Genes. Moving on to the next category of pharmacognosy, we had 11 entries, and the winner is Mr. Ballaraju Pagilla from the G. Pulla Reddy College of Pharmacy, Mehdipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I also invite his guide Dr. Sama Venkatesh on the stage to collect their awards. The thesis title here is Enhancing Efficacy of Atorvastatin by combining with naringin or grapefruit. In the same category of pharmacognosy, as the runners-up, we have Mr. Tejas Mistry from the Institute of Pharmacy, Nirma University, Ahmedabad, along with his guide Dr. Sanjeev Acharya. Tejas's research title was Novel Formulation Enabling Drug Delivery into the Brain. We run down to the final category of the awards for 2013-14, and the category is Pharmaceutical Chemistry. We had 25 entries here, and the winner is Mr. Bhagesh Vora from the Bharati Vidyapit's College of Pharmacy, Mumbai. And his guide is Dr. C.S. Rama. The research title of Bhagesh was Anti-Tubercular Drug with Novel Chemical Structure. And finally, the runner-up for the same category of pharmaceutical chemistry, Mr. Pankaj Bari from the R.C. Patel Institute of Pharma Education and Research, Shirpur, Maharashtra, along with his guide, Dr. P.S. Jain. His research title was Cheaper Substitute of Anti-Cancer Drug, Gefitinib. Thank you very much. Congratulations to all participated, to all who won. We expect better participation, more number of people coming in next time. I request the dignitaries to kindly take the seats, please.